resources here in Utuban. We call this one Ilihil. It is surrounded with three barangays, namely Tip-Tip, Ubuhan where I live, and Manga District. To reach up in the top of the hill, you need 203 steps in a very rocky earth of the hill. Every Holy Week, especially in Good Friday, many people go there to witness the crucifixion of Calixto. Calixto is the person who used to be crucified in the cross. At this time, Calixto is not here because he go to the other country. So we don't go there in the top of the hill because it is so dangerous and dirty. Every night, the big cross of the hill will light up blue. The hill has three caves. The big one is located at the tip side, and it is they said that the cave has a way going to the sea in the side of PMI colleges of Bohol, located at the Lutut district. Two small one has they said that it is dangerous because there are so snake there are many snake, so be, we don't go there. It is more enjoyable and adventurous if you yourself will try to experience and explore the beauty of Ilihil. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and hope you will like it and try to visit our Ilihil.